Hey guys, this is North back again with another video. Today, the video is going to be about what's inside my briefcase. So let's get into it. So first thing I wanted to do is let you know this is a follow-up video to my everyday carry, which I posted earlier, and also my 10 essentials. So the first thing I wanted to show you was my briefcase. And this is it right here. This is a Samsonite. It's pretty good briefcase, comes with the strap. Now I got this for a pretty good price from a place called Sears. I know you guys know about Sears. They're pretty much gone out of business almost in the States. But here, Sears is like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. It's not a retail store, it's a place where you go and you find discounted items. So this is the briefcase I'll be pulling things out of and showing you what's in my briefcase. Let's go on to the first thing. Now the first thing is the trusted laptop. Now I'm very excited about this particular case because I've had this case for about over a decade. I got this when I worked at J. Crew, and I got it for like really cheap, and it was from this like exclusive line that they did. So I got it really cheap, and I always wanted a laptop that fit in it. I had one at a time when I first got it, a convertible one, but since then I had two laptops that were just too big to fit in there, but I always kept on to it. So I always carry a case even though there's enough padding in there to protect it. And this is my laptop. I am not an Apple person. Ever since I first went to teach English in China, I got hip to Huawei, so I really like Huawei products. This is the Huawei MateBook Pro or something like that. It's pretty cool. It's got a touch screen. It's pretty light and thin. So what's good about that, like I said, is that number one is that it fits in this case. So the first thing is the laptop, so I can get my work done. Next, in the main compartment of my briefcase, next to the laptop, is this pouch that I had made, and this is also in a previous video I show you the before and after process of me having this bespoke custom made. So I got this made with leftover material that I had. So here I have this just to keep all my wires organized. So I have to have my charger for the laptop. Got to keep an external hard drive, Western Digital, so I try to work from that. So whatever I need, I always have access to it. I'm not searching for it, through my laptop, and it doesn't slow my laptop. I've had a couple of pouches made. This one right here carries my cords. So, cords for charging my laptop, cords for charging my phone. What's the word? The adapters that you need, because these new laptops are not coming with USB or HDMI ports. So I keep all those in this pouch, and I keep that in here. I also have another little pouch that I had. If you see on the inside, it's lined with this other material. So I had a pouch made from the red, and I had a pouch made from the inside. This one I just keep all my pens in here. I actually have a pair of scissors in here as well. And there is a pocket, a zipper pocket here on the side. In that, I keep a comb. Okay, so I gotta keep a comb for my beard. And I keep a flash drive in here. So gotta have the pouch in here just to keep things organized. I'm not really fumbling too much through the bag. Next, in the briefcase, in another pocket, I keep an extra pouch that I had made. But in here, I keep a hairbrush, and I keep another comb. So you can never have enough combs to detangle your beard, keep your beard straight throughout the day, and the brush to keep your hair and your beard straight. So I use this pouch. I keep it in one of the front pockets, so that's something else I keep it. Moving along, I have a portable power source, so I keep this on me just in case I run out of battery, I keep this in the briefcase. I keep one in my car, I keep one at home just in case I need to run out. The worst thing is to run out of battery, so I definitely keep that on me. Another thing is that I try to keep, right now I don't have a journal. I need to start journaling again, but ideas that I do have, ideas for videos, or ideas for writing ideas for things that I want to get made. I have these little pocket notebooks right here. This one is the all-weather notebook that I picked up off Amazon. So these pages are supposed to be waterproof. Next on the list is this address book, but this is not a old school address book that keeps people's phone numbers and addresses in, but this keeps my my usernames and passwords in there. I know you can keep them on your phone, but I'm a little bit older, so I still like to have physical copies of things, so it's easier for me to access them if I forget a password to something. So I picked this up. It keeps things in alphabetical order, so I can put the websites in alphabetical order, and then I can put my passwords in there. I try to code it a little bit, so if God forbid I lose it, people just don't have the easiest access to get into my things. Now my pen packet, my pen pouch that I usually keep just miscellaneous pens in there. I do have Parker Jotter pens in here, but in the little pen slots that you have here in the front, I do also keep one there too. So I treat my pens like my combs, whereas you can never have enough of them, and try to have them in every corner that you can. Coming up on the last few things, I keep a flashlight in there. This one I got this is Anker. And Anker generally makes electronics, things like wireless headsets and those portable battery chargers. So I keep one of these. These definitely come in handy when I'm looking for things at home, or even in the car, or just anywhere. You never know when these will come in handy. The next thing, of course, is going to be hand sanitizer. So I'll always keep hand sanitizer in my bag, in the car, things like that. All right, guys, so there was one more thing I forgot to mention, and that was the pocket knife. Now it says that this knife, the brand name is Rapala. I couldn't find pocket knives suitable to wear. I thought that I would find them Ace Hardware or whatnot, so I had to think out of the box. They do a lot of fishing here, so I went to a fishing gear place, and voila, that's where I found it. This one has the thumb thing, so you can take it out. It's pretty sharp. I use this generally just for opening up packages, doing the unboxing of the fragrances, and packages that I get from DHL or FedEx or anything like that. So this always comes in handy. I keep this in my bag. All right, people, and that is what's in my briefcase. I hope you found it helpful. I hope there are some tips in here that I take advantage of that you might want to. And if there's anything that you think is convenient to keep in your briefcase, especially for a day at work or to and from transit, things like that, please leave it in the comment below. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.